Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. This is an ABS model with the KRT Kawasaki Race Team graphics. Only 4,000 miles on this awesome sport bike. Inline 4-cylinder, 135 horsepower. It's got the smoked windscreen. It's got the steering damper. Wait till you hear that exhaust system. Only 4,000 miles on this ABS 636cc Supersport. Beautiful one-owner bike. Come on by. Make your Supersport dreams come true for just $11,499. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.